My Greenpan skillet pot is here, so let's unbox it and cook with it, and I'll show you exactly what I got. We have a manual, and here's our lid. It measures 12 inches. We have the power cord, and it measures 36 inches. And here's our liner pan. It's heavy duty and it's dishwasher safe. The inside measures 11 3/4 across and it's 3.5 deep. Here's how the unit looks on the inside, and on the outside we have a reflective plate with LED display. And on the base we have 4 legs with rubber grips. So I washed my pan. I'm about to cook, and our skillet holds 10 cups. Just make sure to line up the heating element properly and place it in the unit. Here's our lid. It's tempered glass and we have the vent hole on top. Now I'll just attach my plug in the back. So after plugging the unit in, there's a little green light around the start stop button, and the large display will turn on after selecting a cook option. So we have our buttons here. So the sear button is on the front. You can change the temperature. It goes between 160 and 450, and you can change the time, and the time goes between 1 minute and 60 minutes. We have the different functions in the menu button. We have a sauce, simmer, steam, stir fry, soup, brown rice, white rice, grains, and warm. And you can put it on the warm setting for up to 8 hours. So today I'm using the sear option, and I'm just gonna add my oil, and in 2 minutes the pot was hot. It heats up really fast. I wasn't expecting that. It took the same amount of time like my regular stove would take to heat up a normal pot. So that's impressive. And I just want to show you how well it's performing, just like a regular fryer. And it's on 400 degrees, and after a couple minutes it adjusted to 375. And during cooking you can adjust the temperature manually up or down, and you can also adjust the time. I'm really impressed with this skillet. It performs just as if I'm using a regular stove top, and the liner pot is non-stick and it's very easy to clean. And here's a little secret: I did not read the manual. It's so easy to use, I didn't have to.